How to buy NGX stock through Cowrywise. Click on Invest. After clicking on Invest, you'll be taken to an interface where you are going to see NG stocks. Then you click on NG stocks. There you see different investment plans that you can buy, different stocks you can buy. So I'm clicking on AIICO, for example. So I'm making this video on a Saturday, so the market is closed. The market is only open from Monday to Friday. So when you click on a stock you want to buy, you now input the amount of stock you want to buy. You can see that the stock has its price. The price you are seeing there is for a unit, the stock per unit. For example, the AICCO that I want to buy is just 10 naira 10 kobo. So you click on buy, then you select the amount you want to buy, then you are done.